In this video, I will teach you how to change WordPress Favicon settings. So Favicon, first of all, what is Favicon and where you can see. So Favicon is a small square icon you can see in any website, like at the top of the browser. Here, as you can see with Hostinger, see this H is appearing. So this is the Favicon. So how we can change the settings of Favicon in WordPress dashboard. So as you can see, I have opened one of my websites. So here I will proceed to appearance and customize. So we will customize our WordPress website, whatever the theme you are using. This option is same. So you will go to the site identity, and here you can see at the bottom site icon. So site icons are what you see in browser tabs, bookmark bars, and within the WordPress mobile applications. Upload one here. And site icon size, you should know that what should be the size icon. Site icon size, it should be 512 by 512 pixels. So the width should be 512 and the height should also be 512. Means it should be a square. So even 16 by 16, 32 by 32 or 64 by 64 also you can select, but recommended size dimension is 512 by 512. So we will proceed to the site. Currently you can see a world icon, by default in Google Chrome it's showing here. So select site icon, upload files and select files. So first it's appearing in my desktop. You can see here this one. So I will select this icon, 500 by 512 size, its dimension. Now press on select, and you can see in my customize window it has been changed. I will publish it, and when I will proceed to my front end website URL, and if I refresh the page now, so you can see here it also has been changed. So whatever page now I proceed, you can see the icon Favicon has been changed. So this is the easy method you can follow to change the settings of Favicon. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have learned a lot in this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much once again.